which makes it more fun.
Bring it. Oh.
So left foot, step, touch, back, heel, and step. And then you would from left, recover, and shuffle just a quarter. Okay, but when you do it originally, you're facing that. So right foot from the beginning, we'll try to put both of those together. Right foot, step, touch, back, heel, and step, rock, recover, shuffle, tap. Same left, step, touch, and heel, and step, then rock, recover, shuffle, and okay? That's the half. So if you feel me doing it, again, one more time. Step, touch, back, heel, and step, rock, recover, shuffle, tap. Left foot, step, touch, back, heel, and step, rock, recover, shuffle, forward.
One more time.
Fantastic. Right foot, step, touch, and heel, and step, rock, recover, shuffle, tap. Left, touch, and heel, and step, rock, recover, shuffle, forward to door. Okay, from here, cross your right over your left, and then rock, left, recover. Okay, we're just gonna add 10 minutes. So face the back with the left foot. So the second chunk with the left foot. Step, touch, back, heel, and step, rock, left, recover, forward to the door. Then cross, rock, recover. So just 1, 2, 3 there. Then you cross shuffle with left, forward, and front. Okay? Dancically, it doesn't make sense to me, so.
What was it?
Dancically, yes, that's a word I just made up. So again, you're just in the whole left, and you're gonna cross your right, rock, recover, cross, shuffle. Okay, so let me kind of read that. You cross the right, cross 1, rock 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because dancically, the shuffle usually comes in 2 and 4. Let's go back to the front. Yes, at least that's what I feel like I'm totally wrong.
Okay, while you pause, anybody that didn't bring a shirt or whatever, she said we can do this again next Wednesday. If anybody's missed, didn't know about it, we can do it again. So,
And $3 for the shirts.
$3 for the
The price. Detail. Label.
Okay.
Price.
Did you hear from Pam?
from who?
Hand.
One
No.
more.
I didn't hear what.
Right, touch, and heel, and step, rock, recover, shuffle, back. Step, left, touch, and heel, and step, rock, left, recover, shuffle, forward. Then cross, rock, recover, cross, shuffle. Okay. You're gonna rock your right foot out.
Six.
Six.
You said last
So you
week it was at
have to
6.
We have to tell 6, so 6. I knew there was something.
Okay, so from here, I totally was wrong. You're gonna rock on your right and turn it 8. So you're diagonal. Okay? So let me just do that from the cross, rock, recover. Cross, rock, recover, cross, shuffle, rock, recover, and you're on an 8. 20 bucks is, I'm gonna say half, a quarter, or something different, but it's an 8. Okay? From here, you rock, recover, shuffle, half. So you're on the diagonal on the front. Okay? So let's do that again. From, cross, right, rock, and left. So cross, rock, recover, cross, shuffle, rock, and 8, recover, shuffle. Come on, are you on the wrong side? I bet that's the right.
Where are we supposed to be at?
I don't know what it was the right one. So you guys cross right, rock, recover, cross, shuffle, rock, okay, here's rock. You don't really recover, you go right into the shuffle. Okay, it's not dancing. I'm telling you, let me just count it and show you, and then you can see and recover, cross, shuffle, rock 8, shuffle, then rock, recover, shuffle half, rock left, recover, coaster 8. Right there, I'm gonna say forward, but you need to know it until we.
What's this dance? Whirlpool?
So let's do that one time. I will try to count it. I know it works better for some people. So cross 1, rock 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, turn 3, and 4. Left, recover, coaster, 7. And then the right step, touch on that. Okay, let's try to count a couple times. Bring right foot. Step, touch, and heel, and step, rock, recover, shuffle, half. Then left, touch, and heel, and step, rock, shuffle, turn north. Then cross, rock, recover, cross, shuffle, rock, shuffle, 8, rock, recover, shuffle, half, and rock, recover, shuffle, 4. I don't know one, but it's the end. Making sense is anything we're showing us. Oh,
I forgot the first half, actually.
so again, step right, touch and heel and step, rock, recover, shuffle half, then left, touch and heel and step, rock, recover, shuffle 4. Cross right, rock, recover, cross, shuffle, rock 8, shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle half, rock, recover, coaster 8. One more time, one more time. Let's do that one more time, and I'm gonna try it back. When we're rock shuffling half, I'll just kind of run it back so you don't feel like you totally lost and we'll turn around.
What was that?
Exactly. Step right, touch and heel and step, rock, recover, shuffle half. Then left, touch and heel and step, rock, recover, shuffle 4. Cross, rock, recover, side shuffle, rock, shuffle, then rock, recover, shuffle half, and rock, recover, coaster 8. Step right, touch and heel and step, rock, recover, shuffle half, then left, touch and heel and step, rock, recover, shuffle 4. Cross right, rock, recover, cross, shuffle, rock 8, shuffle, then rock, recover, shuffle half, and rock, recover, coaster 8. Okay, that one was gorgeous, guys. into a shuffle, which is also weird. Weirdly, not something that we do a lot. So let's